My name is Steve Corona. I'm the lead principal architect at BigCommerce, which is a software as a service e-commerce company. At BigCommerce, we power something like 100,000 stores on the internet, people trying to sell things online, and NGINX was sort of the logical choice for that front-end web server for our load balancers as well that powers thousands and thousands of requests per second, millions of pages per day of real-life businesses that are making money online, that are it's their livelihood. And NGINX was just the clear choice in terms of reliability, in terms of stability, in terms of what's going to give us the best uptime, and also bang for our buck in terms of server performance. We looked at all those, and NGINX always comes out the winner. It's sort of an easy sell, and something that I'm happy that we get to use. So we use NGINX between our two data centers on bare metal hardware. We use it all the way in the beginning from the load balancing solution. So we're using NGINX as our primary load balancer, runs on many different servers. From the load balancer, it talks to our application servers, which are also running NGINX. At the application server level, we're doing some light caching with NGINX. We're using some of the advanced Lua modules. We're inspecting the cookies, inspecting the headers, doing some really interesting stuff at that NGINX infrastructure level, and then passing the request onto our actual backend application using PHP and Ruby and Go, and using the upstream module in NGINX to talk to those different servers. So really at all the levels in our infrastructure, anywhere where we're doing load balancing, we're doing web serving, we're doing caching, we're using NGINX for all those layers. The benefits that we're seeing from NGINX go everywhere from the uptime and reliability of the platform. So NGINX is just a rock solid sort of rock to build everything else off of. I also see one of the major benefits for us is that it's extremely simple to get started with and to use. We can hire and throw any engineers at it, even if they've never used NGINX before, and they come up to speed so quickly. It's a very elegant and simple solution for them to use. On top of that, I just find that the cost savings in terms of NGINX having an extremely light footprint and being able to be very efficient with CPU and memory makes it just such an easy choice to throw anywhere that we need. Without NGINX, my job and my world would be significantly harder. All of the functionality and features that NGINX gives me in a single software package, I'd have to replace it with at least 4 to 5 other pieces of software if it didn't exist. I pray that there's never a world without NGINX.